How to disable or enable the WordPress notification emails. So search this plugin, Manage Notification Emails. This is the popular and useful plugin to disable or enable the WordPress notification emails, new user, changed password, automatic updates, etc. Works perfectly in combination with Alert. So very useful and easy to use this plugin to enable or disable notification for different type of notice, warning. So install and activate and share your experience with this plugin. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching.